Well, welcome back to the nightmare. This is the D250 and 1992 Dodge D250. And if you've ever had to replace the evaporator core, Mr. Wasp, will you get out of here? Sorry about that, guys. Trying to bite me. Let's climb in here now to get the ductwork loose. This is the newer style, 92 and up. A Evap-core comes out through the top, and that door opens up, and there is a lot of labor and work to get that to that point. We started at 8 o'clock this morning. Gonna have to take off your column wrap. Gonna have to pull out your dash bezel. And you know what? Somebody else probably got a better idea, but me and Mr. Haynes are in here with this old manual over here. And by golly, the culprit, this has these four little old tiny, well, that's column screws. There are four tiny Phillips screws that attach that to that dash. And no, that's all the lead you got. And unless you want to go in there and start replacing. And to get in here and unsnap the, well, it's hard to video in here. To get in there on the backside and unsnap the connectors, yeah, takes a special little tool, not a bent paper clip or anything, to get that off of the overdrive button, and you just don't have any room to work. And the reason the radio was out, I went ahead and I wanted to clean everything, and I want to do some plastic welding up here on this panel here while it's all out, and the wife's in there cleaning up the years of dirt that we accumulated buying this truck. All right, like I say, we've been into this a little over 4.5 hours, and you can see outside on the firewall there's 3 nuts. It's they're 7/16. Got to come off. Still got to take that vacuum canister off, which operates the fresh air door down here below. Now, while I've got it, I'm going to redo that fresh air door. I've already gone to so much trouble. This duct right here still has 2 screws that are way hidden. Now that I've got this out, I can come in hopefully right through there. Don't leave you much of a window. You can kind of see way back in there. There is another, and that's a torque screw. Brian over at BC Block, I feel for you, buddy. I know you asked me about where I got my parts and stuff there through Rock Auto, and we're kind of communicating, but be planned on a long day. It is already about 99. Got a little blanket hanging up here over the carport, trying to block that nasty heat and sun, but this is a chore, and this is definitely going to have to now be probably a keeper truck. I was thinking about fixing it up and putting it out there for about 9,500, but we're getting way too deep in it, and nobody's going to give me 95, so I don't have to worry about that. If it had a 12 valve Cummins, it'd be 15 grand around this area. But yeah, just thought I'd go over this. I did manage to fix right here the shift indicator. Pretty easy fix once you got all this column and stuff out. And if you can see down here where I got my finger on that little tiny wire, this over the years, that cable had stretched, and all I had to do is tweak that arm down just about 3/16, put it right on park. And all right, that's it for today. I'm gonna crawl out of here and go try to find a bite to eat. And Ryan, you might want to ice you down some cold ones for this project, because it's going to take a while, and we're not going to get this evaporator core probably in and out today, but we're going to give her heck. Bear's Rod Shop. This will go in the players list for the D250, you Dodge lovers. And I know there's a lot of guys, well, the earlier models, that separates and that whole front piece comes out. Heck no. They had to go get modernized and, you know, make it where they're going to make more money in the dealerships. Because this, I guarantee you, in the books, if I go pull my children book, is probably a 6-hour job. And at today's market, that would be, shoot, probably $1,000. All right, Bear's Rod Shop, we're out of here, and we'll get her posted. Y'all have a good one.